Let's turn on and off flashlight. Open your control panel. Here you will find the flashlight icon. By tapping on this flashlight icon, you can turn on your phone flashlight, and by tapping on this flashlight icon again, you can disable your flashlight. And if you want to turn on and off flashlight from your lock screen, you don't want to unlock your phone to enable or disable flashlight, here's how to do it. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on wallpaper and style. Here you have to tap on your lock screen wallpaper preview, and you directly jump into your lock screen wallpaper editing page. Here we can see two buttons. One is sound button, another is the camera button. Now we will replace this sound button with flashlight. So tap on this button, and under actions select flashlight. Once the flashlight button added, tap on done. And now I'm going to lock my device. And currently I'm in my lock screen. Now from my lock screen, I'm easily turning on my flashlight just like so. Just tap on this flashlight icon and swipe to the right side to enable or disable flashlight. Thank you.